Hi, hello, welcome. This is Vishwanathan. I am the founder of blogpoint.com. Okay, today we are going to see about a tool name called ConvertKit. It's a best one of the best email marketing tool, and as well as you can create a landing page, forms, pop-up forms, right? So today we are going to see about how to create landing page and how to yesterday we saw how to create a lead magnet. Okay, so we'll then we will see how to create a lead generation system. Okay, first we will see the how to create a landing page. Okay, first you need to sign up free account or paid account. Okay, free account, you have 1000 subscribers, up to 1000 subscriber you can add. Okay, so I have already created the login details, so I am just logging. Okay, login. First go to landing page and forms. Okay, create new landing page, select landing page. We are going to give the ebook as a lead magnet, so resource guide. In my previous video I have explained how to create lead magnet through attract.io tool, so please watch that video, and then you can create a ebook resource guide. Once you created, come to ConvertKit and create a landing page, and through landing page you can share the resource guide as a lead magnet and you can get the leads. Okay, so ebook, I just select this one. So get my free ebook. Okay, ebook now. Here, right, content you have to fill. What about the lead magnet, right? Lead magnet details you have to fill here. What is for example, step by step guide, 5 steps guide for affiliate marketing. Okay, in 2021. Okay, so for that you need to fill the content based on your type of landing page and your requirement, business requirement. So you can give the content over here, and here, right, form, sign up form. Okay, email id. Okay, you can add multiple fields here, right? Plus email address, first name, phone number, sign up today. Email address is email address, required field. Here, right, you have the settings for each form fields. So first name, save as custom field, select first name, required field. Okay, whatever you want you can select here. You can give the property details, custom field, phone number, required. Okay, other settings are fine. Then below, right, below you can mention content. You have to give the related content based on your resource guide and landing page type. Okay, ebook, right, ebook details you have to give here also. Then save and publish. Before that we have to create the thank you page. Same as thank you for signing up, and here content. Okay, content you have to take care, and sign up today. So this you can add a ConvertKit have feature like you can add a button, download, download. Here, right, you have to give the resource guide URL. We have added, we have upload into Google Drive. So go to Google Drive. This is the resource guide I have already created. So control right click, get the link. Here, right, anyone with the link, copy, done. Here, right, you have to paste the Google Drive URL we have to give. Then this content you can take care. Here also you can put the content. Next, save and publish. Save and publish. This is the landing page we have just now created. Okay, this is the one. Here, right, you can see the preview also at my free ebook. This is the preview of the landing page, and in settings, right, settings you have to give redirect to thank you page. Redirect to thank you page. If we did not give that, it will show the success message alone. Okay, it will not redirect to the thank you page. So we have to select redirect to thank you page. And the incentive, right, incentive is, it's kind of two-way authentication. So we don't need, because once the user has subscribed, created the landing page, the email confirmation will be sent to the user. So for that, we don't need to confirmation from that. If the user did not see the email, it will be lost, right? So we don't need to send the incentive email. You can uncheck that and save. That's it. After that, we have to go to share. This is the URL of the landing page, ConvertKit landing page. Copy this and you can test it here. Paste in the URL, and then you can see, right, here it will redirect to thank you page. Here, right, download. The resource guide has been downloaded. Okay, here, right, you can download the resource guide. Here, download PDF file. So this is a way we can get the leads from by using ConvertKit and things. Okay, and automation. Once we created the landing page, we have created already landing page. Save and publish. For that, you need to create new automation. Create automation. Joins a form. We have created one form, right, in a landing page. We need to join that form. The form name is Centennial landing page. Okay, add event. Once we have added the form, we have to give the action. So action, what is that? Add or remove tag. For this, before that, we need to create a tag. Okay, for example, I use this one, gr_leads, add action. So we have, once we have the form, the action will be to the tag, which list we have to tag, right? gr_leads. Okay, after that, once after that email sequence we have to create. So here, right, email sequence will be there. We have to create and sequence name, add action. That's it. Okay, this is the way we have to create the automation. Once once the form has been launched, okay, the tag, which customer we have to tag into that, and gr_leads. After that, we once confirmed that tag, once subscriber has added, we can send the email notification. Email sequence, you can create multiple emails, almost many emails you can create. Your need, whatever you need, you can create your emails, and you can send the emails to the your client. Okay, I'll show the email sequence. Okay, here, right, sequence. So here, right, email sequence, once a subscriber comes into our list, this email will be sent to the customer. So immediately it will trigger to the customer. So hi, personalization, first name. So download your Affiliate Marketing Guide 2021. This is the way you can set the email sequence. Second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So we can add up to 10 days. Okay, 10 days, or we can add more than 10 also. Okay, after that, no need email. That's it. This is the basic automation we have in ConvertKit. We have more features also. We will see later. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and provide the comments and the feedback. Thank you.